So I've been here now teaching at Midstate for about 6 years. I also teach at the high school, which I've been at Marshfield High School now for 11 years. So I teach there all day, and then I come here in the evening and do my thing here. So it's going extremely well. About 6.5 years ago, I was just sitting at home on a Wednesday night and my phone rang, and it was, somebody from Midstate, and I didn't know who it was at the time, and I didn't know anything about this program, that they were even interested in starting it. And basically they got my phone number because I was the welding teacher at the high school. And they were looking for somebody to write the curriculum for this new program. And throughout the curriculum writing process, meeting with employers, drawing up the assignments and things like this, it just became natural that I would then also do the teaching of the curriculum. Yeah, compared to teaching at the high school, teaching here at Midstate, it's way more career focused. At the high school, sometimes a kid will take a welding class just to try it out, or because they think it'll be fun. Whereas here, most of the students are here because they're seriously interested in advancing their career in the welding industry. There's really a lot more finesse to this career than just brute strength. So for those people who are maybe a little more artistic, maybe more, hand-eye coordination, maybe they like to do things like sewing or needlepoint, maybe they like to work with their hands in kind of little intricate ways, building models, maybe, even I've had some students who were hairdressers that became excellent welders. What ends up being the most rewarding and the most enjoyable about this is watching, how the students progress from your first assignments through your last assignments, and how each step along the way really tests their skills and pushes them to improve themselves. So then ultimately at the end, they have now the skills needed to walk in the door and have, a chance at a successful career when they get there.